Stop buying this vegetable. If you struggle with inflammation, grow this instead. Most people don't realize that the spinach you buy at the grocery store has already lost half its nutrients. By the time it reaches your table, it's often more of a filler than a functional medicine. Industrial greens are often treated with synthetic pesticides that can actually trigger the inflammation you're trying to heal. Your body knows the difference between a living plant and a processed leaf. It needs the life force. Chronic inflammation is often fueled by the very health foods we trust if they aren't grown with care. We've lost the connection between the soil and our cells, but that changes today. Forget the supermarket cycle. It's time to take control of your kitchen pharmacy. I'm going to show you how to grow your own medicine in just 10 days. It's simpler than you think. It all begins with the right foundation. You want heirloom organic spinach seeds. These seeds carry the genetic blueprint for healing. They aren't just plants, they're biotechnology. Look for Bloomsdale Longstanding or Giant Noble varieties for the best nutrient density. Step 2. The soil. Your spinach is only as anti-inflammatory as the ground it grows in. Use a mixture of organic potting soil, worm castings, and a pinch of volcanic rock dust. These minerals are what your body uses to rebuild your gut lining and quench systemic fire. Plant your seeds about half an inch deep. Give them space to breathe, just like you need space to heal. Water gently. We want the soil damp like a wrung-out sponge, not a swamp. Air is just as important as water. Think of watering as a ritual. You are literally waking up the life force inside that seed. For the first 3 days, keep them in a cool, shaded spot. Spinach loves the cool morning air. By day 4, you'll see the first signs of life. This is the germination phase, where energy is most concentrated. These sprouts are packed with enzymes that aid digestion and help repair a leaky gut. Day 5, move them into bright, indirect light. They are now converting photons into phytonutrients. Between days 6 and 7, the true leaves begin to form. This is where the iron and vitamin K live. Homegrown spinach can have up to 3 times the bioavailable iron of store-bought alternatives. On day 8, thin them out if they're crowded. 1 strong plant is better than 5 weak ones. By day 9, the leaves are vibrant and robust. The plant is now a fully functional pharmacy. And here we are, day 10. Fresh, living, anti-inflammatory medicine grown by your own hands. Now, why does this heal? Spinach is rich in quercetin and camphorol. These are powerful antioxidants that seek out and neutralize inflammation at the cellular level. Think of them as a protective shield for your DNA, preventing the oxidative stress that leads to disease. The high fiber content combined with living enzymes works like a broom for your digestive tract. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is the command center for your entire immune system. When you heal your gut with living food, you heal your whole body's response to the world. The first benefit you'll notice is improved digestion. No more bloating, just steady energy. Then comes the mental clarity. When your gut is calm, your mind follows. No more brain fog. For those with joint pain, this daily dose of vitamin K helps regulate the calcium that keeps joints healthy. Your skin will start to reflect this internal health. Inflammation shows up on the outside too. And finally, the benefit to your wallet and the planet. No plastic, no transport, no waste. There is a profound sense of empowerment that comes from knowing exactly what is fueling your cells. Imagine if every household grew just one medicinal plant. We would transform the health of our communities. This isn't just gardening. It's a reconnection to the rhythms of the earth that we were built for. 1 handful a day. That's all it takes to start shifting your internal environment toward healing. Stop buying your greens. Start growing your medicine. 10 days to a healthier you. Follow for more ways to grow your medicine and reclaim your health, 1 seed at a time.